Hello. So, I hope everyone's okay. Now, this year, for the first time, I ran a games module at Swansea University, and a bunch of people submitted some great games, like some really, really good games. For those of you, if anyone didn't take the course, the way it worked was I gave everyone on the course on the module a list of games, classic arcade games, and the assignment was to make one of those. And the thing I was assessing was how well it was coded. So today I'm going to show you some of the games. I asked them all to submit some games that they wanted me to play, and that's what we're going to do. So you're not necessarily going to see, obviously, the code side of things, which is where I think some of these were really impressive. I think they were generally impressive anyway. Like, there was some really, really good stuff submitted. So I've made an itch collection. So I'm going to show you that. So you can look at them all on itch. So anyone can play these. I've downloaded all of the ones that were submitted to itch. And I'll stick a link into the actual itch page. So they are free for everyone. Now, going through these, I think it's going to be it's going to be a mess of kind of me. These are going to be all in different resolutions and different things. And also I'm going to start them muted because I don't know where the music, just to make sure I don't get copyright striked by the music or anything. But let's dive in. Right, so I'm going to start with Asteroid Lander, which is, I'm pretty sure it was Johannes, but hopefully these have all got some sort of credit. So let's launch it. Oh, I need to mute. No, I think I did mute. No. Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay, the resolution's a bit better there. And what I'm actually going to do is set this up as a capture. So let's go to scene, game capture settings. There we go. Okay. So are we hearing any volume from this? Not at the moment. Let's go back. Options. I think maybe there was sound before, but it's okay. Also, if I play your game and there's bugs, don't worry about it. The idea is this is to kind of celebrate what you've done. So, it's all okay. We're just kind of having fun here. So let's just start. So I'm going to do a new profile. Enter profile name, Sean. Enter. I can enter a seed. Let's just play to start with. Okay. The resolution's changed. Oh, there's sound. Right, let me turn that down. Turn it down for me as well. Okay, I think you guys can see this okay. So let's see. Okay, so this is like Lunar Lander. I think I've screwed that up. Options. Let's go change the resolution again. There we go. That's better. Let's go to menu, restart. Let's do start, Sean, play, and then change the resolution. So it's a bit unfair because I have like a really weird monitor setup. Like I'm running ultra wide, and so I always have to mess with things. Morning, Tyler. And James. Right. Okay, here we go. So this is quite cool. So Lunar Lander is Lunar Lander, but what's been done here is we've got procedural generation of these planets. So I need to land. Yay. So I can view a replay. The resolution changed again. What are you doing to me, Johannes? There we go. So one of the things that they part of the assignment was to make a replay, which is really tricky actually. I'm going to turn that down. Which is, oh, there we go. It's going. So yeah, this is what I did, right? This replay is working, which is good. Let's go. I'm going to go back to the menu, and let's do start. Do me again. Enter a seed. I wonder if it's a number or letters here. So I'm just going to type in numbers. Play. Oh yeah, that changed. All right, let's do resolution. And then back. Continue. Okay, right. Oh god, I'm going that way. I need to slow down. So I don't know how the score has been set up in this particular version, but in the original Lunar Lander, the way I believe it was scored was to do with how good your landing was, and then different parts of the map had different points if you landed there. So I don't know how okay, I got a score of 779. So I don't know if that. I'm guessing clean parking would be a way of doing it. Let's go back, continue. Right, so I'm going, let's try and get down really slowly. Oh, so I should probably be using like the speed indicators, right? Also fuel, I guess like how much fuel you've got left would be another thing that would affect the score. Vertical speed is... So I got a better score that time. Let's play different. Let's do... So I wonder if the speed, like... Oh god, wrong direction. Okay, I'll try running out of fuel. I want to try and get into an orbit, actually. I'm going to try and see if I can get into like a stable orbit around this. Let's Kerbal Space Program this. I'm wondering how these horizontal and vertical speeds are measured. Is it based on like the closest point? Because what's really interesting about this is the way that these like moons are procedurally generated. Whereas normally it's like you have one circle to play, you know. So I quite like that. So like my vertical speed is minus. So is that because I'm getting closer to the center? Maybe. There you go, I'm in orbit. Okay, let's run out of fuel then. I kind of want to run out of fuel without just going off away from this Tell you what, I'll try and land with the minimum amount of fuel left. It is based on score on fuel. Okay, yeah. I crashed as well. So try again. I keep wanting to make a I keep wanting to make a Lunar Lander clone. I really like, it's like, I love like Kerbal Space Program, which is like Lunar Lander taken to the most extreme, I guess. Okay. If I just go at the end here, I think we'll be all right. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, I crashed. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to show, actually, if I go to... Oh, the tutorial, I think, is quite cool. Right. The tutorial is this is like a really good job. The tutorial is like, yeah, I'm super impressed by this. So one thing about Lunar Lander in these kind of games is that because it's the way this is moving is based on proper orbital mechanics. Like most people don't know much about orbital mechanics, so you have to, it's quite confusing. So what he's done is he's added this kind of simulation of the path, and we've got kind of some nice, some text here, and then I can, try it out. And if I change the thrust, it changes. It's giving me this indication of the orbit. So now, this makes it a little bit easier. Oh, that's really cool. See, now I'm... Oh, yeah. Oh no. Oh, God. There we go. That's all right. Okay, landing slowly. And that's not, this is not... Drawing this line is pretty tough to get working. Yay! I did it. Okay. Cool. Right. Let's move on. But that's a great job. Right. We're gonna have issue. Like I think I tried to. I'm not rating them. This ain't. This is. You can rate them if. This isn't about rating. This is about like, celebrating. So this is Pac-Man, which is. Oh, I need to change the game capture. Okay, there we go. So this, see if I can actually see some credits. Have we got sound though? Don't think. This is by Giant Gummy Bear. So definitely like put your names on things. Like, so if you've put your game on itch, you should absolutely make sure you're crediting yourself. So make sure to do that after this. Okay, Pac-Man. I think this was yep. Oh, the leaderboard. Nice transition. Let's play some Pac-Man. Enter name. Sure. Just enter. Start. So WASD to move around. And eat the coins to earn the points. Ah! Okay, so I was reading and trying to play at the same time. Okay, so if I get a power thingy, what's it called? Power palette, right? There we go. Oh no, did I? Oh, cool. Right, there's a pizza down there. I guess the pizza is good, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. It's kind of interesting. Oh no. Oh no. Right. Has anyone played the? There was that Pac-Man on the Wii, not the Wii, the Switch that came out. The like crazy multiplayer Pac-Man. Is it Pac-Man 99? If you haven't played it, it's really, really neat. It's like, yeah, it's one of those 99 games. Pretty much the only reason I had a Nintendo Online Pass, which I finally remembered to cancel. Yeah, Tetris 99 was really good. I didn't play the Mario one. That didn't seem as interesting. Oh. No, this is really cool. Oh no. Okay. I never really played much classic Pac-Man. Mainly just so Pac-Man. There was like Pac-Man Championship Edition DX is like really, really good. but it gets super fast. Yeah, so yeah, it like, yeah, I don't want to get like, I kind of don't want to get critical because this is a happy thing. This is a happy time, a happy place. But that is one thing I'm finding tricky is getting stuck on the edges as I turn. But actually, do you know, like, right, here's the thing. I'm going to retry. I'm going to make an argument that that is a good mechanic. It just needs slightly better feedback. So, because what it does, it rewards me getting my timing spot on. And if I don't get my timing spot on, then I slow down. Now, what I think is needed is some kind of like, and this is done in like a lot of Pac-Man games, is some sort of like sparks when you get it wrong, to really help you. But I actually think it's a good. I genuinely think it adds something. It adds a level of skill, and maybe that was deliberate. Maybe it wasn't. Like there's so much stuff that we put in games that, you know, we didn't mean to. But oh man. But I think it works because now I'm actually concentrating on playing and not just looking at the chat. I'm not. Oh, okay, no, all right. Oh, I want to get this pizza now. Well, I want to get the pizza. See what it does. Okay, no, I'm not. Okay, just one more. I want to get the pizza near something to see what it does. I'm a little bit worried I'm going to have to like change the resolution of my monitor for some of the future games. I played them all earlier. I set my monitor resolution to like a non-widescreen resolution, like a thingy. Oh, there's pizza. Oh, I just want to get the pizza. Here we go. Oh, it freezes them. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's like it's I think like those things like the transitions and the overlay. It's like that's where you get. It's a really nice. They're just little polish touches that make such a big difference. Pizza again. And I do think the idea of you needing to make these turns perfect, like I'm sure that is a thing in Pac-Man, right? Like I've definitely played Pac-Man games where you get rewarded, or well, they kind of turn it on the head because instead of punishing you for getting it wrong, they reward you for getting it right, which is a very common kind of game design like tool. Is where you're punishing a player for something, and often it's better to just try and reverse the punishment into a praise because people like, so you reward them for getting something right. Cool, right? That's Pac-Man, which is neat. Well done. So I'll close that. Let's go display capture. No, that's not what I want. I want the scene. Screen capture. There we go. So that was Pac-Man. Let's go to this game, which hasn't got a name, but it looks like Asteroids. I think Ollie did this one. Pretty sure that's Ollie's. Couldn't, if it's not. Let's see. Oh, Ollie Ray, yeah. So let's launch. How big is this going to launch? Oh, yes, okay. We're okay. So what I did, so Unity, like, I need to. So what you can do, so with when you launch Unity game the first time, it'll set the resolution and then it'll use that previous resolution. So yeah, so I so is this sound coming from this? Doesn't seem to be. I think there is sound in this game, but so I went through and anyway, whatever. You guys don't want to hear the pre. Okay, let's go. Yeah, nice menu. Like I like it. on a big monitor, like this is starting to make me feel a bit icky. This movement, if I'm honest. But no, it's again nice touch, nice polish. So welcome to Asteroids 384. In this tutorial, we teach you the basics of how to play. When you're ready, click next. First up, let's master movement. To move forward, use W or up key on your keyboard for turning A and D. Okay, give this a try. Okay, nice. Okay, and so it doesn't let me go forward in the tutorial until I've done the thing. Okay, good work, pilot. Now let's look at shooting. To fire the cannons from your ship, press space. There we go. Okay, space. Next. When your ship starts with a basic level of functionality, but over time, as you destroy more asteroids, you can upgrade different components to give you more of an edge. So there's upgrades, which is not something we're normally used to in asteroids. Also, I like the text transition is nice, right? That it's kind of reading like this. Looks like we have some asteroids up ahead. Oh, there's asteroids right there. Use my knowledge to shoot asteroids. Okay, let's shoot them. Let's hold down space. Nice battle text. I like that. Next. It is neat. This is, yeah, okay. Oh, so now we're done. So now am I like in the game now, I guess. So now we're playing asteroids. Or have I got to destroy them all, maybe? Ooh. When I first started playing, I thought maybe it was a bit too zoomed in, but I don't think it is. I think my gut is to always zoom out too much. The aim is to destroy asteroids, everyone's mortal enemy, asteroids. Yeah, I like it. I also like the art style. I don't seem to be able to die. I don't know if this is because I'm in the tutorial still. There we go. So okay, yeah. So in the tutorial, so I'm ready for action to end. Press next. So that's nice. Nice kind of tutorial there. So now we can do a new game. Ooh, we have a difficulty selection. I mean, I'm going to pick hard because I know how to play asteroids. Thank you. Oh, upgrades. Ooh. So I've got so I can buy. Okay, so I can buy stuff at some point. Right, let's go. Hard mode. Right, shoot, I guess. Oh, did I? Oh, now okay. Now I'm taking damage. I feel like the asteroid was chasing me then. No. I've got something down there. 40 of 40. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's my health. Oh, sweet. I like so. Oh dear. Oh god. I'm guessing. So it looks like I have a shield that charges. So a shield that charges. Maybe when I'm not firing, does it charge if I fire? Oh no, it still does. Okay, so I can't. So it's still. If I'm firing, oh, we're okay. Everything's all right. Am I shooting these asteroids when they're not on screen? Something always to check when you play a game is like how much of the game exists off camera. Because sometimes, like, you'd be surprised. So, like, I have a game where bullets survive as long as they're on camera because we don't really want, you don't want the player to notice a bullet just disappearing. So that means you can do some clever, you can kind of like cheese it and extend your range there are ways of kind of making the camera zoom out, which I call as high level tactics. So it's all good. That's really cool. Okay. That's really cool. So I don't know if anyone noticed there, but I used my score to upgrade something, which is kind of neat. If it's as a high, that's a really clever. Because now that's a difficult decision. Because if I'm trying to go for like a high score, do I spend my points? Oh God. I'm going to because I want to see all the upgrades. Yeah, there's a lot of polish here. So some people like asked like at various points like what's polish, and it is really hard to kind of like put your finger on. Oh no, what polish is? And it is hard. Like, but for me, like a kind of easy way of thinking is like you wouldn't immediately think this was a Unity game, or at least you wouldn't be able to pick it out as being like this was made in Unity because there's not like certain game. There's games where people. I wonder what the difficulty does. Sorry. So certain games like if you use the default buttons and stuff, then you get a sense of. Okay. All right then, we're getting difficult. Those some of them are moving at real speed, aren't they? Okay. I feel like there should be sound, or like there was sound. Maybe there's something gone wrong. I have a very no, Tyler. This is the hard mode. I'm just good. You've watched me play games before. You know how good I am at games. Right. They are moving quite fast, aren't they? Can I afford any more upgrades? What? 200 is what I need. Okay. Almost. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, no. Game over, man. Okay, exit to main menu. Was there replay? I don't think replays were a thing. I kind of want to. I'm going to play a new game. I want to see what the difference is. This isn't because I need to. Just be clear. I don't need to play the game on easy, but for science, I want to see what the difference is. Okay, I'm guessing less astro. I don't know. There still seems like a lot of asteroids. Am I taking less damage? Maybe. Maybe I didn't get far enough for the difference to really. I have the same number of health. I wonder if it's like the like recharge rate of the shields could be damage that lasers give. I feel like they're going up faster. Okay. They might be a bit slower. This one on my left looks like it's going a bit faster. Right. What do people think of this kind of tank controls, momentum-based flight? Because I know it's very divisive. Ugh. Tank controls is where when I'm pushing D, I always turn clockwise. Whereas like so tank controls is this. This is tank controls. I need to kind of keep a mental idea of which way is left and which way is right because that changes. So if I'm facing down, like I turn in different directions. Whereas like the other way people often do it is like dual stick, where I always go in the direction I point the stick. So left is always left relative to the camera rather than the actual shit. Okay. Can I upgrade? Right. Right. Okay. And upgrade costs are less as well. Turning speed going up. I'm not sure I want that to happen because it's turning quite fast as it is. But fire rate sounds good. The lasers are nice as well. But yeah, so a lot of people like I've got a game that is like momentum based, and there's some really nasty comments about it because people really don't like it. Some people don't anyway, but I do. I think like a game like Luftbrowsers is really good. Right, upgrades, damage. Okay, I'm getting stuck here. Yeah, I think so. Difficulty seems to be that it's to do with like the numbers, so which is nice. A good way of doing it. But yeah, the background looks good. Like just really good. Neat, good, well done again. So I'm gonna exit this one. Well done, Ollie. That was good. And let's go from we've got a string of asteroids coming. So I can't do Blasteroids because it's only got a Linux build. Sorry, but we have asteroid here. Oh, you can't see what I'm seeing. Okay, it's fine. I'll just launch the games. It's probably easier. I did make an asteroids-like game. Settings. Let me just set this up. Okay, I'm gonna bring down the music just because of copyright strikes that I don't know. And then asteroid, and then back. There we go. Okay, cool. So asteroid. There we go. Have you got it? Yeah, you can see it now. Right. I didn't really see who made this. I want to see. Yeah, I would have. I no, I think it's Gnome did Blasteroids, and if you if you couldn't get it, like maybe I should make like if I can somehow get I'll do a stream another time, and we can play it once I get a Windows build. So this is Christoph. So yeah, so let's go. Dono tutorial. Okay, control the spaceship using W, A, and D. Nice. Use A and D. Use A and D to turn. Use W to propel forward. Oh. Okay, so this. Okay, now try reading the. I like it. Reach the green point. Yeah. The goal is to destroy asteroids. They spawn randomly during the game. Destroy it. How do I? What's the button for fire? I don't know what fire is. Space isn't fire. Oh, click. It's click. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, and we've got some sound, which is nice. Okay, I'm going to just turn that up a bit. Okay, there we go. Now we've got some sound. There we go. Bring that down. Okay, cool. That's so this is different, obviously, because than the last one we played, because the camera's stationary. If I go off the edge, do I come back the other? Yeah. Nice. So where the asteroid's gone. Okay. Oh, UFOs. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay, for reals now. Yeah, I like the jet engines. And yeah, they kind of animate rather than get longer. It's an anime. Oh no, they do. Oh, sweet. Okay. So there's actually like a transition animation and everything. Oh, I died. So it's going in. So and when it, that's really good. Like good seeing how that works. That's really neat. One shot, one, like one hit, one kill is brutal. But I think that is the original. The original Asteroids did that, right? So here's a question: why would you ever not fire all the time? I know that's how Asteroids is, but sometimes in these games, like this isn't. That's not any kind of criticism. Oh, huh? Achievement. Well done. Right, how fast can I... Oh, no. Okay. Save replay? Did I get the replay? Ah, replays. Let's watch the replay. Nice. So is this exactly what happened? I mean, it looks good enough to me. It can't be true. I died. Right. So there's a scoreboard. There's achievements. Nice. Oh, achievements. Achievements for firing 1,000 bullets. I think I can do that. Yeah. Feels good. It feels good. Like it feels good to play. Like it's got a good feel to it. Like you could spend ages just tweaking tweaking the feel of the like the acceleration and the turn rate and all this kind of stuff. And I think you got it. You got it good there. If I keep going in one direction, I don't know. Do you need a hold to fire mode? Do you could we just? I wonder if I just keep going. Do I keep accelerating forever? Do I keep getting faster? Is there a limit on the speed? I think there's a limit there, isn't there? Yeah. Nice. And art's good. Everything. Good job. Right. Let's move on. Okay. Right, so that was Asteroid. So now we've got Missile Command, which is Jamie, I think. Yeah, I'm always like, whenever you make a game like that, like, do you... like, adding the limit is always the last thing you think of, I think. Not... Okay. Have we got that? No. Oh no, wrong button. There we go, right. And we've got some sound here, and I did turn the music down because, I bet you stole it. I'm sure you didn't. Oh no, there is no music. Okay, right, back. Let's just jump in. Nice menu, nice images. Should we do a tutorial? Let's do the tutorial. I say nice images, like pretty horrific images. I think the tutorial, oh no, the tutorial didn't load. Oh, here we go. Okay. Am I sure I want to select this save slot? Yes. Okay, here we go. Right, missile command. We destroy the missiles. There we go. Some nice screen shake. Nice explosions. Am I dead already? Oh, I've got limited missile. Well, I guess I'm dead. I was too in the asteroid zone of mashing. They weren't. Like, I mean, those houses were empty, so it's okay. You know. If anything, you know, I'm helping because, like, now nature can take over. The game, it doesn't game over when you have no missiles. Yeah, fair enough. Well, it does if I do this. Boom. Right. I'll relaunch that. Oh, there we go. Let's do save slot. Nah, save slot 1 was not lucky. Let's do save slot 2. Yes. Okay, right. Oh no! Oh, you've got to predict where it's like flak, isn't it? I don't think I've ever played the original missile command. Oh. Okay. So does it then? It fires from the closest. One thing I want to do when kind of like things get a bit more back to normal is spend some more time in the arcade vaults in Cardiff, and they've got loads of arcade machines and like old retro games, and like I'd love to just play original missile. I'd love to find somewhere that has like an original missile command cabinet or something. Oh, nice explosion effect. So, Jamie, you're there, right? So, like, how did you do that explosion effect? Because it does look. Is it? It looks like it's kind of creating some kind of ripple, but is it? Yeah. How did it work? Like, how does it? Is it just kind of like a transparent effect, or is there some kind of shader going on there? Like, what's the deal? So some of them I noticed as well have red on them. So I wonder if does that mean anything? I'm going to let the next one hit because I want to see this explosion again to see if I can figure out what's going on. It's these ones I think that have the big explosion. Yeah, it happened so fast. I think there's like some transparent thing that's going up that gives it that. And the screen shake. So does the screen shake affect everything, or is it just the background? No, it is everything, isn't it? Okay, cool. The red are bad and destroy the buildings, and blue gives. Okay. Is that like from the blue gives missile? So blue gives missile. So if you hit the blue, you get a missile. So if I can't hit them because I'm out of. I see. But cool. Yeah, camera shake can make a huge difference. Those kind of like juicy things can really help. Okay, now we're looking at Invaders by Agrodorf. Agrodorf. So let's launch that. settings. Oh, we've got music. Let's turn that off before I get sued. Right. Okay. There we go. There we go. I like the music though. Right, tutorials. Use A and D to move left to right. Hold space to fire. Oh, can I hold? Right. You have destructible bullet shields. Destroy one to continue. Okay, nice. Fire up. Fire up. Fire up. Oh, okay. So if you shoot... Okay, so I shoot a power up to get it. Nice. Speed up. Oh, jeez. You probably didn't. Speed down. Okay. Okay. Power ups will drop randomly. Okay, tutorial complete. Right, okay. Nice. Okay. Profile 1. Okay. Okay, I can hold spacebar, so why would I... Yeah. Let's shoot through. Is my fire rate based on when when a bullet is destroyed? Because when I was shooting these things, I was shooting faster. Oh, I need to... Cool. I wonder if that's because... okay, cool. I wonder if that was something to do with like object pooling in the original or something. Or if you shoot barriers, you get quicker, yeah. Am I right? Oh no, that was a bad power up. I want the speed one because it's crazy. So the strategy, do people like? Is that the strategy? Is you shoot the barriers yourself, right? I died. Okay, main menu. Play. Let's do one more. Okay, so profile 1, high score. Nice. It's a shame you guys can't hear this banging music. It's really good. I want to read about, but I can't because I'm playing. Again, I like nice, like, oh, the speed one is just... I died. It's good. I like it. Again, really impressed with all these. Really, really good work. Again, I think this is nicely polished, right? Like this is, crisp sprites that, yeah, okay, you probably didn't draw the sprites, but like to you, it's one thing to download nice sprites. It's a different thing to make them look good in a game. There's more to it than just it works, you know. And yeah, I like the barricades. Like I was expecting to not be able to shoot through them, but I think that is such an important part of Space Invaders. Like, you know, a lot of people did like the whole barrier would just die. So good job. Okay. Got a few more left here. 3 more. Also, by the way, you know, if you haven't submitted one to the itch page, I'm not going to stop doing it. Like, just whenever you fancy submitting stuff, just go for it. Now, this one is Ben's. Now, is Tetris Pro. And yeah. What year is the cow? Thecat. I can't pronounce that. Your username there. Cool. Right, I'm trying to launch this. It was working earlier. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Right. This one's another one with music. But see if I... Which I'm too... Have I got it open twice? Oh, I've opened it twice. Okay. So this one is by Ben. It's Tetris Pro. You know, for us pro Tetris players. Welcome to the tutorial. This will guide you through how to play Tetris. One of 7 Tetraminos randomly spawn at the constant position at the start of the game. What is this soundtrack? These Tetraminos... I think I gotta, like, I'll take the risk. Like... Okay, right. Press S, speeds this up for the current Tetramino. Using the A and D keys, you can move horizontally. On the bottom, contact, and solidifies it in place. Nice. I'm going to turn down that for me. Right. If I get a copyright strike on this, Ben, I'm coming to get you. Right. After this, a new random Tetramino. Rotate with Q and Q. Okay, Q is rotate. Next. Launch an entire row. This is like, you know, okay, I get why it's Tetris Pro. Like, how many things here? You know, this is a big line of... Okay. Right-clicking transforms... Right-clicking or pressing E transforms the current Tetramino into a single square, costing 150 points. Nice. That's interesting. That is interesting. So the game is lost if they get above a certain height or cannot fit. Okay, right. Let's do new game. Okay. Let's play Tetris. Oh, it's bloody... I thought the edge of the... Bloody hell, it's getting fast. Like, what? Can I not slow it down? Like, jeez. Okay. Oh, bloody hell. No, 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 no. I wasn't ready for that, for the speed there. Okay, I think I was doing that. Was I speeding that up? Oh yeah, it's speed. Okay, right. If you push S, it speeds it up for all the other ones, so it keeps speeding. Okay. Okay, now this is manageable. Oh, I need to play Tetris Effect again. I was really annoyed because I had Game Pass on PC and nice explosion effect for there. I was playing. I had Tetris Effect. Like, I've got it on PlayStation 4, but it was on Game Pass. But the VR version wasn't. It was on the It was on the Microsoft Store, and I guess that means that it wasn't very easy for them to add the VR support. Because I haven't played it in VR, but I kind of like to. Okay, right. Here we go. Okay, let's keep the speed going. There's a version of Tetris by the guy that made Frog Fractions, which I keep meaning to find, where it's like just huge. And I think also it's Like it's got physics, so it's like Tetris with physics, which just sounds really hard. But interesting. Oh, this is going bad. Let's have a look. Does the replay work? No. But that's okay. Doing a replay is really hard. Okay. Nice one, Ben. I like it. Yeah, I mean, he got the first Tetramino there. Good, good enough for me. Right. Let's... Asteroids by Golden Noob. Gold Noob. Do we have an actual name on here? No. But let's go. Oh yeah, this one's got music as well. So definitely, I think this one sounds like it might. Okay. Options. Here we go. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, nice scrolling background. Achievements. Oh, shoot your weapon 20 times. We can do that. And a hidden achievement. Rotate your ship, A and D. To move forward, push to find weapon to space. Okay. So I need to... I can't hold down space here, so... Oh, I lost my first... Yay! Okay, this is like classic. Okay, good. Score 10 points. What's that hidden achievement? Did I die when I went off screen? I'll see now. No. No, yeah, I'm okay. Whoa. Oh, and this one doesn't have any kind of speed limit. I want to know what the secret achievement is. This isn't the one. There was someone made a game. There was some really good Easter eggs in some of the submissions. The one of them, I forget who it was, did one that was like you push a button and suddenly the whole game everything's a duck, which I thought was quite good. These I found things by, I didn't find them, they were people who said them in their video. There was one that the Easter egg was if you called yourself Sean Walton, it was all the sound effects were me talking, which I thought was quite good. Oh, eesh. Which is not like, so I had in first year I taught web development. Someone submitted, so I had I think I still have it. I don't think anyone noticed, but in one of the lecture slides for web dev, there's like I talk about query parameters. And I use YouTube as an example, and the YouTube link I use is the Rick Roll video. And so some people think, there's a YouTube link, I'll click on it. So what someone did was he submitted his web development video, the web development thing. And this was back when I kind of foolishly actually compiled all the web development stuff. And he did lots of like invisible iframes that were just playing the Rickroll video over and over and over and over and over. So I took a mark off for that. But yeah, I didn't really take a mark off. This is good. I like it. Oh god, there's no way I'm gonna get 100 points. Am I? I got a third of the way there. Right, okay. Last try to get that secret achievement. I thought, oh wow, I'm doing well, and noticed I was looking at my high score, which is, of course, 30. Okay. Oh, no, 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 come on. It spawns. Like, it spawned on me. The asteroid spawned on my ship. Cheap. Okay. Well, did it just do it again? Did I just... No, that was really good. Good work. Again, really impressive. Okay, and finally, we have Pag-Man. Okay, so I don't know what game this is based on. By Reeby. Here we go. So options. Game over on death is an option. Let's create a program profile. Great. Cool. Let's have tutorials on. Play. Okay, there's music, so I'm not going to risk. Or is there music? Okay, move the arrow keys. Oh, nice, I like it. Collect all the pellets. And you go slower in the tiles. With, what's the red tile? Oh. I like the look of this one. Okay, so I have to go through twice for those. Watch out for ghosts. Ding. Okay. Okay, right, I think this is the game for real now. There we go. Okay. I like the different maps. I think that's cool. So I have to go through. So if the ghosts aren't affected by the tiles, does that mean they can just walk through those? So do I get an advantage for pushing for the right timing here? Phew. I thought that was going to get me then. Yeah, it's really tight. Like, it feels really. Oh, still there's ones in the middle. Oh dear. But yeah, interesting to like. It's obviously. I mean, like, I assume this is supposed to be a version of Adventure, and I think it's pretty good that you know it's got some aspects from that game, but is quite different. Oh, slippery, nice. I like. Oh, and that slows. Okay. Yeah, I think you can turn back on yourself in the original. Is it this where Ms. Pac-Man was basically like an unofficial mod of Pac-Man or something? Like someone hacked a Pac-Man machine or something? Yeah, I like the animations. Whoa. Um, don't be put off by you can like don't worry about the you know saying about I will yeah so obviously I'll talk a bit at the end about but yeah keep adding games and I'll add them and I've played these 10 and then I'm happy to play some more just for funsies and you don't have to worry about like if there's bugs like I don't know. Don't worry. Don't let that put you off. If you want, you know, it's meant to be. So what I'd have loved to have done is one to get. What I'd have loved to have done in a. Oh, do I need to be? Do I want to be sorry? Okay. And what I'd have liked to have done is done a bit more kind of playing stuff. Yeah, I don't. This has nothing to do with marks. Like this is to do with just celebrating what you've done, which you should all celebrate what you've done. My games don't have bugs. Thank you very much. Yeah, like it's been a tough year, and there's some really good stuff. Like I'm like I genuinely have been, like blown away by the submissions. Like really, really blown away by them. I was quite. I had a like I know some people struggled, and that's there's always and if you did, that's okay. Like it happens. But there were some really good ones. Like I like really, really, lots, and even, like the marking's the marking, but aside of that, there's just some really, really good stuff submitted. Yes, I will be running the module next year again for sure. They will have to pry it away from me, I think. But I think they're probably okay to run it. I assume I am. I'm pretty sure I am. We haven't entirely been told what our teaching is for next year, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing this again, which will be fun. And yeah, thank you for everyone for being the first set of people. Any changes to the module? Yeah. Lots of So thank you to everyone that left me feedback because that's really changed. I've got some things I want to change. So firstly, the actual assignment will change every year. Or the features that I ask people to do. So those will be different. But like that's just I've planned like the next 3 or 4 years of those. The other thing is I'm going to do a bit more kind of basic introduction to Unity at the start of the course. So kind of like those like lab sessions I did when I did the kind of live coding. So I want to do a bit more of that. People really like that. And I thought if I could maybe get the timetable so I have more lectures at the start of the year, I could go through that a bit kind of slower maybe. I don't know. Or like I want to do more of that. I just want to kind of make sure everyone's up to speed to start with. I think maybe that could have been improved. Maybe making it, I think I could make a lot of stuff clearer towards the start. With like what, like there was some stuff when I emailed you more, like I think it was like the last few weeks where I was like, oh, you should do this and then this and then this. That's what that toggle was for. Of course. That's why you would toggle. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's really like I've written some stuff down. It's not like I'm gonna at some point kind of look at them and do it to make the changes, but I'm gonna have a rest from it in the summer, I think, and get back to it. But yeah, this is cool. So am I going to look at? Is there what's different in your correct build, Jamie? So guys asking what Pillbug's working on. We're making it home ready for version 1.0, which is pretty much done. But we're going to launch in September. That's our goal. So we're going to do a developer stream around the Steam Summer Sale. Watch out for that if you're interested. I'm also thinking as well, and this is like a really dumb idea, like a really, really dumb idea, but like I'll download the latest version. Really dumb idea is I was thinking that how do I update? Okay, it's update. I'm updating it now, Jamie. I was thinking of live streaming the entire launch. So because maybe some people are interested in what it's like to launch a game. But that would be stressful as anything. But kind of fun at the same time. So I might do that. I might just open Twitch when we launch it and just go through it all. So the launch involves which tutorial suits you, Greenhorn? I'm going to go detailed. What does it? No, so for no, it's definitely not push to Steam. So right, this game means you protect those buildings. Missiles rain down. Click anywhere. Okay, I've clicked. So for making it home, it's going to be because it's already on Steam. It will really just be clicking up. It will actually just be clicking a button because it'll be saying, "Hey, launch from early access." I've never actually done it before. Don't worry, Jamie. Is there anything different in the main game? I might. Yeah, it's pretty much just kind of clicking a button. I don't know, but also really the thing that's stressful is you click launch and then you have to then I'm gonna try not doing it. It's all the kind of telling the world that you've launched a game. So sending emails and I've got mailing lists with people on and stuff, and so that sort of stuff. Cool. Yeah, and then my business partner will be doing a stream to the Steam store. So and that will to try and it's all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I might do that. I might stream it. I wanted to do that in the last time we launched a game, but didn't for whatever reason. But cool. No, I like it. I like all the games are good. Yeah, so let's go to screen capture. Let's exit this. So anyone, you can all. So I think I put a link in the chat, but I'll do it now. So keep submitting your games on Discord. I will keep an eye on it whenever I see them in. I will add them, and probably what I'll do is maybe when there's every 10 every 10 or so submissions, I'll do another stream or something just to play some, because I think it's good to play each other's games and see people play your games and all that stuff. Thanks for the follows, I've just noticed. But yeah, have a good summer, and don't forget, if for Swansea University students, there will be a celebration event on Zoom, which is not graduation, but it's a way of just kind of coming back and celebrating. So do be sure to do that, to come along. Yeah, do it on the Discord. So just submit. So on the Discord, you have to. So if you itch.io links. So we've got a couple already have been submitted. So I will add those. I've got to go now, but I will add those. And yeah, once we've got another 10 or so, I'll probably I'm going to put I'll edit this. So I'm going to edit this to say So I've streamed up to here. Like, so I'll know. Like, we'll remember. Like, Sean has streamed up to here, and like there'll be the I'll be able to look and see what games I've streamed, and like, yeah, I'll just whatever. We'll play some games. That's what we're gonna do. And anyone can see that. You can share it with anyone. Blah. So yeah, have a good summer, and hopefully catch up soon. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.